too hard, okay? She's only a baby. Right? What's she doing?
She doesn't have teeth.
No, she doesn't have any teeth yet. She's waking up a little bit. She's really tired, right, Joe?
Can you pull the blanket down in front of her face so I can see? Yeah, that's it. Joey, that's your baby sister. That's baby Eva.
Is she cute? Be careful, don't go too close.
Give her a kiss on her forehead.
You can kiss her right there.
Oh, that was good.
Atta boy, Joey.
Joey, you're so gentle with the baby, just like a good big brother should be.
But can the baby have some of my water?
A sip of your water?
Baby has milk.
Right now she only drinks milk.
Just like you drink milk.
Okay. Put your hands up. Take it easy. Hey, I brought you a coffee. I don't know if you want it.
Okay, thanks.
Eat for me.
We were waiting for you. It's okay. He's like,
Mama.
Joey, I've missed you so much.
you want to see your little hand?
Yeah. Baby sister.
Say hi, Eve.
Hi, Eva.
It's me, Joe.
Me too.
We were waiting for you.
Yeah, wait for you.
Where you been?
How you been?